Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with targeted checks to isolate the problem quickly. First, make sure the Chromebook has enough charge and then restart it. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a full reboot. Once done, plug an external USB keyboard. If that types, the issue is the built-in keyboard hardware or connection. If it doesn't, the problem is system level. While rebooting, open Settings so you're ready to inspect keyboard options immediately after the boot completes. Now focus on software causes. Open Settings and verify the keyboard layout and input method. Mismatched layouts can make keys appear dead. Next, go to Accessibility and disable features like sticky keys or filter keys. These can block normal typing. Then update Chrome OS. System updates include firmware and driver fixes that often restore keyboard functionality. If an update applies, reboot after installing. Finally, test in a guest or PowerWash-free user to rule out profile-specific extensions or policies into finish with hardware and recovery steps. If you're comfortable, power off, unplug, and remove the back cover to reseat the keyboard ribbon cable. Loose connectors are common. Do this only if you can follow a service guide. Otherwise, run Chrome OS diagnostics or create a recovery USB to test keyboard behavior outside your installation. If reseating and diagnostics show a hardware fault, backup data and perform a factory reset. If keys still fail, arrange repair or part replacement. Tip: keep a USB keyboard handy for urgent work.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.